Hi everyone. I thought I got home from work a little while ago, sitting around having a cold drink, and wanted to show off a little bit here. I guess um, a couple of M1 Garands from the Civilian Marksmanship Program. Um, I ordered these. I think it was right at about a month ago. They're service grade. Came in this week, and I'm really happy with them. I mean, they're just awesome shooters. They're not necessarily collectible, although all the Garands seem to be getting more collectible all the time. Just came in with the nice plastic cases, eggshell foam packing inside. Has the kind of the dark earth, or these are the new desert color scheme gun cases that the CMP is putting out. It has a nice Civilian Marksmanship Program logo on the outside of the case. Just really happy. Ordered them both at the same time. They were next dayed right to my door from FedEx. Of course, after you get all the appropriate paperwork in, and they do all the appropriate background check and all that stuff that the CMP does. But both both came with nice new CMP cartouched walnut stocks. Very nice finish, unfinished, I believe. As far as the muzzle and throat readings, they're all ones, one pluses actually, except for one of them has a throat reading of 1. But excellent. I'll go with the first one we took out of the box was this one. It's an H&R, Harrington and Richardson receiver, Springfield bolt, Springfield barrel. Again, we don't know on the Harrington and Richardsons. My guess would be somewhere around 1956. The barrel is a 55 Springfield. Again, kind of the later era. This would be slightly post-Korea. Stamped trigger guard. Has the later style gas plug. And just overall nice rifle. The other one is a Springfield Armory receiver. Springfield Armory bolt. And this one I think it's a 1944 with it appears to be a Danish barrel, manufactured around 1957, I believe. And it appeared that they kind of tried to keep the parts era correct as much as they could. This has the milled trigger guard. It has the earlier gas plug. And, for the most part, I believe it might have a Winchester sight. But for the most part, I don't know if it was something that they intentionally did, but they kind of tried to keep at least the rifles era correct as much as they could. Beautiful stocks. I don't know if we'll put any finish on them or not. I haven't even shot these things yet. It's been pretty cold here lately, but well, hopefully maybe this weekend we'll get out and give them a try, see how they shoot. With the readings that I'm seeing and looking down the bores, it appears that these rifles should shoot very well, and hopefully they will. But very nice stuff. Customer service and the way that the CMP does business is just excellent. I mean, I can't say anything other than that. Tremendous value with some of the retail prices that you see for some of the M1As and even gun show prices on either ex-CMP guns or just any kind of M1 shooter grade mismatched parts. God knows how many rounds through the barrel that you see at a gun show. This is the best value out there. And I hope to continue to use the CMP. I would like to see them get some O3s and some carbines again, of course, like everyone else. But very nice guns. If you do business with the CMP, I think you'll be happy. And hope to promote the sport of shooting, civilian marksmanship, as the name implies, and hopefully maybe bring in some new shooters. And when you take these to the public range, and there's some of these young guys out there with their AR-15s, show them what Granddaddy used, and show them what a real gun feels like. 8 rounds of 30-06, and a lot of power in these old war horses, and a lot of rounds left. Who knows how many times they've been rebuilt, but they're still going after all these years. But anyway, that's what the CMP is currently putting out, and just thought maybe somebody might find that interesting. Thank you.